I'm Claire Harvey-May from Olympus, and if you've heard about the many benefits of the Olympus system and you want to try them for yourself, then you should keep watching. Maybe you've heard about the awesome autofocus, the silent shutter, the pro capture. I mean, there are so many features of this camera, we couldn't all get it into one video. Here I'm using the EM1X, but all of our EM1 series are fully weather sealed. So guess what? You can shoot all day, even in the rain. If you're thinking about weights and trying to, lessen the weight of your current kit, the EM1X and the 300mm comes in at less than 3.5 kilos, which means you can carry it around all day. So if you are thinking of switching to Olympus, there are lots of things I need to talk to you about. One of them is the Pro Loan Scheme. In the Pro Loan Scheme, you can try one body and up to 4 lenses for 2 weeks. So that gives you the opportunity to try your genre, your focal length, and see how it feels for you. The kit is shipped to you by a 24-hour courier and is also collected by a 24-hour courier. So if you are interested in the Pro Loan Scheme, just get in touch on any of our platforms and we'll get back to you straight away. One important thing I forgot to mention, the scheme is completely free. So the Pro Loan Scheme is designed for you to try bodies and lenses in your own home at your own leisure. Honestly, it's a brilliant scheme. Get in touch.